Welcome to Tingle View, Farnley, Leeds. A superior 5-bedroom detached property with 3 bathrooms, downstairs WC, lovely garden, in an absolutely great spot with a double garage. Please allow me to show you around. Thank you for viewing. I'm sure you agree, lots of space, both inside and externally. We've also the double garage as an added bonus. Should you wish to view, please give us a call on 01 924 692240 or the usual email hello@trustsl.co.uk. Look forward to hearing from you.